Hi everyone, this is Marceline at cashewgreens.com. Here I am inside the greenhouse with a temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It is perfect environment for myself and perfect for my plants. Now I thought today I'm going to do a serious video on how to grow a jade plant. A jade plant is also known as the money tree or lucky tree. I propagated this plant last summer from leaves. As you can see, look at that, it's so beautiful. The leaves is so thick, green and glossy. Now I see why many people grow this plant indoor. I grow a lot of this. I have tons of money tree in my living room because I love them. So I'm going to do a video. The first series video is how to propagate this plant. The second series is the plant care. So you know what type of diseases of this plant have, so you can treat them properly and you can grow more of the jade. And also the last series is how to make money growing money tree. So let's get started and join me to the table. Crassula ovata, which is also known as jade plant, lucky plant, money plant or money tree, is a beautiful succulent plant that you can grow indoor. This is a perfect indoor plant, and I'm going to show you guys on how to propagate this jade plant. There are so many ways you can grow them, but I will show you the best method. So let's get started and join me in the other side. I'm going to show you the two-way method of propagating the jade plant. You can propagate with the leaves or you can cut the tip of it. Now let's go ahead and take the leaves. So you just make sure you pull it down, slowly remove the leaves that you want to grow. So just bend a little bit. We get one. We're gonna get this other leaves. We have another one. So that's the way how you remove the leaves. Make sure you remove it slowly because you could break the tinder of this branch. They are very tender and delicate. So you just pull it down like that and careful doing it. Okay, so that's how you do it. You can also get the tip if you want to grow the tip of this plant. So you can cut, and then this one will become one plant. So let's get started and put this in our propagator. In this propagation, we're going to put these leaves under the misting system. But if you guys don't have the greenhouse or you don't have a misting system, I will show you the other method. You can propagate this inside your home. So the thing you have to do is just pile this like that. And just arrange them, and it within few weeks this one would produce a baby plant. So you line like just like that, and it, or if you want to cover a little bit of soil you can, but doing like this it's okay. And then you do that the misting under the misting, so they can have water. If you want to grow them in the pot, so as I mentioned earlier in my video, use the banded pot. I use the banded pot because if you want to sell the plants, it is easy for you to ship your plants. I mostly do my shipping using this banded pot. So what you need, just create a hole. You can use your finger or pencil. So you just poke a hole like that, and then you have to place the plant and just press down a little bit so the stem is in contact with the media. So that's it. That's the way how you grow, and this plant will grow within 2 to 3 weeks. So what you need to make sure if the plant grow, you have to just, if you can feel resistant when you tag this plant, then that means that it is rooted. Okay, so I will show you the other way. So this is for under the misting system, and I will show you the easy way. If you don't have a greenhouse, you can grow them inside the. Another method to propagate your jade plant, you can use a tray like what you see here in the video, and then you wet the paper towel, and then after that you line your leaves. Just line your leaves like that. This is an easy way to propagate this succulent. And then when you line all of them, the leaves, you have to cover it with a dome tray. So after you line, I'm just showing you guys, but this is how you do it. This is the second method to propagate your jade. And then you cover it a dome tray. This is a dome tray, and then you close it. It's the purpose of this is to create moisture, so you don't have to water your seed, your leaves all the time. So this tray will create humidity inside, allowing them to start producing this baby. Now, after they have this new root or new leaves, you just have to adjust your tray, open a little bit. You want to release that moisture, because too much moisture creates fungus, so you don't need that. So you just have to open your vent a little bit, and you can get this product in Amazon. I will link you in my video if you need this product, and then you can just get from there. And also, if you whatever I show it in here, guys, if you buy this product from the link that I put on my video, thank you so much, because you're helping me to continue my channel to put up more information, so to help you if you want to grow more plants. So this is how you grow your succulent. So again, you can put under the misting system, and also you can put in a dome tray. And I hope this one would help you guys. So see you on the other side. I'm going to show you the succulent that I have in the living room.
Okay, y'all, I just want to know how come you haven't subscribed yet. I got over 30 dang videos out there, and I ain't getting enough subscriptions. How come y'all haven't subscribed yet?
Well, what's the purpose of all subscribing?
Because when you subscribe, you help out my channel, and also YouTube likes to send out more videos to everybody else as a recommended video. So, what do you think about that, Ma?
Yo, subscribe, yo.
That was pitiful, Mom.
Alright, so this is our video for today, and the next video is the plant care, how to care this plant once after you grow them. So I hope this video helped you guys if you wanna grow jade plant, and if you like the video, please consider to subscribe and also share with all your friends, and stay tuned. See you next week. Bye bye.